Teachers, here are 5 things that you can do to translate your resume from teacher lingo to corporate lingo. Number one, your students are not stakeholders, but you have built relationships with X stakeholders, including senior leaders, staff members, parents, and students. But students alone, calling them your stakeholders sounds awkward, right? Doesn't it? Doesn't feel natural. Number two, get away from the language of transition teacher, veteran teacher, seasoned teacher, retired teacher. None of that is marketing you in the direction that you're going in. And on top of which, when we start to talk about veteran or seasoned or retired, it makes us sound like we're stuck in one place, that we cannot do anything else. Instead, when you're marketing yourself, especially in your LinkedIn profile, use words that highlight the direction you're going in. So, learning and development, project manager, use those words and then follow with a half sentence describing what makes you totally freaking awesome. Remember, you are looking to stand out from everybody else that's applying for those jobs, not blend in. Number 3, lose the lingo that is just about teaching. So things like IEP and ELA, and even highlighting 3rd grade teacher, kindergarten teacher. You could just be teacher or educator. Lose the language that is not relevant unless you are going towards an ed tech company or a nonprofit that deals with K-12 that wants that information. Okay? IEPs are documentations, they're legal documentations. There's many other ways to write the same things while you're getting away from industry specific jargon. Number 4, use your numbers. You have numbers, right? It's all about the numbers. It's all about the stats. It's all about the data. Remember to use it. It's okay to brag. So if you have 20 students a year and you've taught for 5 years, you've impacted 100 individuals. If you have been a team leader for 5 years, you've taught 20 students, and there's 5 people on your team, each teaching 20 students. That's 100 students a year times 5 years. You've positively impacted 500 individual. So remember to use your numbers. Numbers win. And the last thing is be proud of yourself. You want to showcase why you are different than everybody else. The idea is not that you're blending in and being the same as every other teacher. You want to highlight why you specifically are awesome. And I know that you come from an industry that is taught as, team, together, everybody achieves more, and you try not to use the word I. Please, please, please brag on yourself. This is the time. If you don't think you can do it, you're never going to be able to convince somebody else. My name is Cindy. I empower transitioning teachers, career changers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs. If you'd like more help on that, please schedule a free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can help you to be successful in your job search. I hope you have a super productive week. Always remember you're a warrior. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.